This is the HP Stream 14, but not quite as you might know it. While the core machine is the familiar 14-inch model, this particular configuration comes with some significant upgrades that really change the game for this budget-friendly line. Right off the bat, you notice the 14-inch HD display. It's designed to offer a clear and bright viewing experience. And the description mentions an anti-glare finish, which is great for reducing reflections and making it more comfortable to use for extended periods, whether you're working or just watching videos. Powering this laptop is the Intel Pentium Silver N5030 processor. Now, this isn't a high-performance chip, but it's built for efficiency. Its low-voltage design means it sips power, helping the battery last longer, which is perfect for a portable machine like this. It's well-suited for everyday tasks like web browsing, email, word processing, and streaming media. Where this HP Stream truly stands out is in its memory and storage. It's been upgraded to a massive 16 gigabytes of RAM. For a laptop in this category, 16 gigabytes is huge and allows for serious multitasking without slowdowns. You can have numerous tabs open, run multiple applications, and switch between them smoothly. Storage is also dramatically boosted. It features a 1 terabyte SSD, which is incredibly fast compared to the eMMC storage typically found in Stream models. This means lightning-fast boot times, quick application loading, and rapid file transfers. Plus, there's mention of an additional 160 gigabytes of storage included with a docking station set, bringing the total storage capacity to a very generous 1.16 terabytes. That's more than enough space for all your documents, photos, videos, and applications. Graphics are handled by the integrated Intel UHD graphics, which are perfectly capable for standard computing tasks and high-definition video playback, though you won't be doing any serious gaming on this machine. It comes with Windows 11 S Mode pre-installed, which is a more secure version of Windows that primarily runs apps from the Microsoft Store, though you can switch out of S Mode if you need to install traditional desktop applications. A nice bonus is the included 1-year subscription to Microsoft 365, giving you access to Word, Excel, and other Office apps right away. The laptop also supports Fast Charge, which is convenient for quickly topping up a battery when you're on the go. The silver finish gives it a clean, modern look. It's important to note that the seal was open for the RAM and SSD upgrades, and these components come with a 1-year warranty from the upgrade provider, while the rest of the laptop is covered by the original 1-year manufacturer warranty. Overall, with these significant upgrades to RAM and storage, this HP Stream 14 transforms from a basic entry-level laptop into a highly capable and speedy machine for productivity and everyday use, offering excellent value for someone who needs lots of fast storage and wants to multitask efficiently without breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.